Hello students, how are you all? So, today we are going to read a story about what's your dream. Before starting the chapter, I put a question for you all. Sit, think and tell me, what is your dream? I want each and every student to write in a notebook about your own dream. So, moving forward with the chapter. There are two main characters in the story. First, the young boy, who is very happy like you all. The other is the old man, who is now a beggar. The two characters are the young boy and the beggar. Now the story starts with this young boy, who is sitting on a lychee tree. There is a lychee and this young boy is sitting and he is chilling and enjoying. He is just chilling and enjoying. He is just passing his time, but he is not aware of his dream. This boy have dream, but he doesn't know about it. Why? Because he never thought of it. He is just passing his time in the lychee tree. Now, after some time, this beggar comes and speaks to him. This beggar comes and speaks to him. He is sitting on a lychee tree. This beggar comes near him and asks him, "What is your dream?" Now, this young boy is shocked. Who is he? Why he is asking this question? So he chose to ignore. He did not give the reply. Another time again the beggar comes and asks him the same question. What is your dream? Now the boy is more shocked. Why? First of all, who is he and why he is asking a question? Secondly, the beggar is speaking English. The beggar is speaking English. Did you find beggar speaking English? I don't think. So, now the boy told the beggar, dream. Yes. Last night I think, but I was sleeping. I had no dream, so I don't have any dream as of now. Then the beggar corrected boy by telling him, I am not talking about the dream you had last night. I am talking about your main aim of life. What do you want in life? What is your dream? What do you want to achieve now? Now the boy confused and he thought and then he said, yes, I want a room of my own. I want a room of my own. Now the beggar said, a room of your own? Are you okay? Is this your dream? The boy said, yes, I have a very small room and I live with my family. I have to share bedroom with my sister, brother, even my aunt when she visits. But I don't want to. I want a single and independent room of my own. Now the beggar told him, you want a single bedroom? Right. Yes, I want to be free. I want my own single room. Then the beggar questioned the young boy, what are you doing for it? Now, how are you going to get your room? You need to do something. Now the boy said, I have to do something. What? I have no idea. You tell me, how do I do that? So then the beggar said, you don't sit idle. If you have To dream, you don't sit at home. You must work for your dream and move towards it. Because if you just sit, you will never get the thing of your own. Now the boy said, "Do you have any magic formula? Is there any formula by that I can get the room?" The old man said, "No, there is no formula, but only hard work, but only dedication and only commitment. That if you want something, work for it. Now, if you want room, come down from the lychee tree and work for it." Now, when the young boy heard so many statements from the beggar, he understood that the beggar is intelligent. He understood that the beggar is intelligent and he is wise. So he asked him, "Do you have a story of your own?" Then the beggar said, "Yes, I had a palace. I had everything of my own. But unfortunately, because I did not work for it, and I just wanted more and more, I became greedy. Because of my greed, I lost everything. So, it is my suggestion, instead of people taking your dream, people stealing your dream, you should yourself work for your dream." And now the boy understood what the beggar wanted to tell. So now the young boy immediately went to the house. Now the young boy immediately went to the house. He demanded for the room. He started working and finally the young boy got the room. So, children, in the last, the beggar told 2 lines to the young boy, and they was, "Live long, my friend, be wise and strong." The beggar said, "Live long and remember, be very wise and strong, but do not take from any man his song, but do not steal anything or any idea or dream of any other man. Do your own work and do your own self." Children, the moral of the story is, you should always be hard working, because there will be a time when difficult time will come. Children, you start doing something, start working for your aim, you will have problems. You will have difficulties, but do not give up. Be wise and strong and fight for your dream, and one day you will certainly achieve it. Thank you.